Welcome to another episode of Siyayinqoba, SHAP. Let us hear what our characters have got in store for us today. SHAP.
What do you want?
I just came to apologize, sir. I acted like a fool.
You were irresponsible.
Yes, I know. And I promise I'll make it better.
I'll believe it when I see it.
Is Kelly here?
Kelly, Papa is here to see you.
Dada, can you give us a moment, please?
Hey, Kelly. I shouldn't have been so stubborn and gotten drunk. I should have listened to you. I hope you can forgive me.
What's wrong?
My hands, they ache and pain.
You should let Vuyakazi take a look at it.
No, I'll be fine.
You're being stubborn again.
Okay, I'm sorry. My hands. Ouch. Hey, focus, Kamva. Keep the wheels on the road. Ooh, it hurts.
Don't you even greet anymore?
What's the matter, Lunga?
It's Kamva.
What has he done now?
He's been in an accident.
Are you okay? Kelly?
Eh? I shouldn't have let him drive. What if he's injured really badly? What if he can't walk?
We don't have answers yet. Let's just hope and pray he's okay. I'm here for you.
Okay. Thank you, Dada.
You love him, don't you?
I do.
Don't worry. Everything will be okay.
Kamva,
Hey, how you guys doing?
how are we doing? You were the one who was in an accident.
A few bruises and scratches. Nothing a few plasters can't fix.
Is that so, Sis Vuyakazi?
He'll be sore for a few days, but I'm more concerned about the cause of the accident.
The doctors think my medication caused the peripheral neuropathy.
What's that?
It's one of the side effects of his ART medication. It can be managed and changed. In fact, all side effects to ARTs can be managed. That's why it's important to come to the clinic as soon as you feel any changes to your body.
But we've had a chat and decided to change my medication. Hopefully it will do the trick.
Let's hope so.
To start your HIV treatment or for more information, WhatsApp us on 079 25 87 642 or visit our Facebook page at Siyayinqoba. SHAP.